Originally available for walls, slabs, beams, and meshes, its usability has now been expanded to include roofs. This was a highly requested development as openings are crucial for architectural, structural engineering, and MEP engineering disciplines. When hovering over a roof with the opening tool, it detects the plane, making the placement of the opening simple and visual. You can choose the shape of the opening with options including rectangles, circles, and polygons, and you can also choose between different orientations. The horizontal and vertical placements follow their respective coordinates, while the align method detects the pitch of the roof and makes a cut perpendicular to it. Just like doors and windows, the openings have a 2D representation linked to a 3D element. By default, the 2D symbol on align openings is usually placed on the cut part of the roof, but this can be adjusted for your preference. By going to the Opening Settings dialog, you can find different options for floor plan display under the Floor Plan and Section tab. This tool can be used, for example, when modeling a chimney, ventilation shaft, or creating an elevator shaft in your project.